नमस्कार, मी अमोल जनार्दन कापसे. नमन नृत्य संस्था ही माझी संस्था आहे. अलिबाग आणि रायगड जिल्ह्यामध्ये वेगवेगळ्या तालुक्यांमध्ये अशा गावागावांमध्ये अशा 10 शाखा आहेत. त्याचबरोबर जिंदल विद्या मंदिर आणि नचिकेताज हायस्कूलमध्ये मी नृत्य शिक्षक आहे. ही ओळख आणि नृत्यामध्ये निर्माण झालेलं हे अस्तित्व निव्वळ ह्या सर्वांचं श्रेय एका महाविद्यालयात जातं. महाविद्यालय ही खूप छोटी भाषा, छोटं नाव ठरेल. खरं तर ते ज्ञान मंदिर आहे आणि मंदिराच्या पलीकडची साधना आहे नालंदा नृत्यकला महाविद्यालय. नालंदा नृत्यकला महाविद्यालयामुळेच ही ओळख खरं तर मिळाली आहे. नृत्य, त्याचं अस्तित्व आणि त्याची खरी ओळख मला नालंदा नृत्यकला महाविद्यालयातच झाली. नालंदा नृत्यकला महाविद्यालयाचा दिवसच इतका सुंदर सुरू होतो की सकाळच्या योगा क्लासेस, प्रार्थना, थेरी, लेक्चर्स, अफलातून, ग्रंथालय, कुठल्या विषयाचं खोल गांभीर्य नालंदा नृत्यकला महाविद्यालयाने दिलं नाही असं नाही. मग जागतिक रंगभूमी असू दे, काव्यशास्त्र असू दे, तुम्ही वास्तुशास्त्र म्हणू नका, सौंदर्यशास्त्र, अगदी स्कल्पचर आणि सगळ्याच गोष्टींचं इतकं खोलवर ज्ञान तिथे मिळतंय की थोडं म्हणजे जसं जसं कळत जाते तसं तसं त्याची खोली आणखी किती डेप्थ आहे ही लक्षात येते. आणि ह्या सर्वांचं श्रेय नालंदाला आहे. म्हणजे एखाद्या लहान मुलाला रांगतो, चालतो, बोलतो आणि पुढे त्याचा विकास हा नृत्यातल्या कुठल्याही वर्षी, कुठल्याही वयाच्या ठिकाणी नालंदा नृत्यकला महाविद्यालयामुळे त्या विद्यार्थ्याला मिळतं. आणि आज कुठलीही प्रोडक्शन्स करण्याची हिंमत सुद्धा नालंदा नृत्यकला महाविद्यालयामुळे चालली. कारण की त्यांच्या इंटरनॅशनल आणि नॅशनल अशा खूप मोठमोठ्या प्रोडक्शन्समध्ये अथपासून इथेपर्यंत ते प्रोडक्शन बनण्यापासून आम्हाला इन्व्हॉल्व केलं गेलं त्याच्यात आणि आम्ही त्यात इन्व्हॉल्व होत गेलो. त्यामुळे आम्हाला आज ही हिंमत निर्माण होते, ती डेप्थ समजते. नालंदा नृत्यकला महाविद्यालयाच्या खूप मोठमोठ्या प्रोजेक्टमध्ये आम्हाला कार्य करण्याची संधी मिळाली. त्यामुळेच आज या ठिकाणी वेगवेगळे प्रोडक्शन्स हँडल करताना, नृत्य शिकवताना मुलांना ह्या सगळ्या बारकाईचा खऱ्या अर्थाने फायदा होतोय. एक समृद्ध कलाकार, उत्कृष्ट रसिक, सहृदय श्रोता, त्याचबरोबर कलेची जाण असलेला परिपक्व नर्तक हे नालंदा नृत्यकला महाविद्यालय करतात. खूप खूप आभार आहेत जे शब्दात व्यक्त करता येत नाही. आज आम्ही तुमच्यामुळे उभे आहोत. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
Namaste. I began my journey at Nalanda in 2008 and completed my post-graduation by 2015. The person introducing me to Nalanda was Mom, and I'm thoroughly grateful to be learning under such institute with par excellence and immensely knowledgeable gurus. To begin at Nalanda, we start from scratch, like striking our feet, walking, learning all the basic adabos, which build up a great foundation for us dancers. We not only just learn practical dancing, but also talam, music, natvangam, and theory. We even do our own makeup, like every year end, we have annual day where we are expected to dress up on our own, do our own makeup, do our own hair, which I didn't realize then, but now when we perform in the shows and being self-independent feels great. We even learn choreographing, like before our post-graduation, we have a choreographic representation where all the master students are given 10 to 12 people in a team, which are our own juniors from college. We have to start from beginning, like what will be the theme of the presentation, the music, characters, costumes, makeup, lights, and everything that we need for a complete show. So that is the part of our curriculum itself. The teachers there are more like family, and more friendly. So we even had mentors by the end, so we could not just share our emotions, but even open up if we have issues regarding anything. The teachers that groomed us, not only as dancers, but even great human beings, because the values that we learned from our own religion, and that was the part of our dancing to be learned. In theory, well, like basically, even if the dancing style was just Bharatnatyam, but theory wise, we even learned Indian classical dance styles, like all seven of them, Indian history, epics, aesthetics, even body kinetics. We've even learned Southeast Asian arts, Western ballet, and it just goes on. So, all in all, be it knowledge wise or dancing, we have taken out everything and learned everything from there. So, I would always be grateful, and I'm still associated to Nalanda performing and being ex student dancing with a team. And currently, I've been teaching at Chembur and Powai Fine Arts, which also again is all affiliated to Nalanda. So, all in all, I'm very grateful and thank you so much.
Namaste, myself Devyani Ajay Kulkarni. I must say it's a great privilege to be sending here my learning and working experiences with you all. I still remember at this time, but 3 years ago, I was also a master student of Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya. Honestly, time flew by so fast that here I am working with IAID Qatar as an Indian classical dance instructor. Today, I would like to talk about how great Nalanda's curriculum and training has been. Subjects like epics, culture have pulled us more closer towards our Indian cultural heritage. Nalanda not only gave us teaching experiences and stage practices, but also gave us glimpse on subjects like Western ballet, Asian dramaturgy, and Southeast Asian culture. Now, while choreographing for dance drama presentations and choreographies for academics, subjects like raga, tala, and sculptures have been immortal masters. I believe dissertation subject in master's year has given us confidence to enter the world of research methodology. Apart from curriculum, Nalanda also conducts campus interviews, which gives us opportunity to represent ourselves on national and international platforms. I would like to humbly say my pranams to Padma Bhushan Dr. Srimati Kanakrele ma'am, our principal Dr. Uma Rele ma'am, and all our gurus at Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya for always being supportive and motivating. Thank you.
Namaskar, I am Priyanka Surve Sawant. I have completed my Masters in Performing Arts in Kathak from Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya under renowned and respected dance gurus. I am honored today to speak here about my college Nalanda. There is no need to introduce Nalanda, which is self-explanatory name for Indian Classical Dance Institute. Nalanda in my life has nurtured great immense values and principles, personally and professionally as well. Learning in Nalanda helped me understand the soul of a performance. There is a great perfection to the techniques taught in Nalanda, and those help me whenever I perform at any platform. Understanding dance theoretically and practically in Nalanda is so well connected, just like a confluence of river to the sea. Nalanda has always taught us dance not just to impress but to express yourself through the purest form of classical dance. I joined Nalanda after completing Masters in Commerce to take up dance as my career. But I was not sure whether that would really possible. But my all gurus at Nalanda gave me that confidence, guidance, support and vision to my dreams. During this journey with Nalanda, I have not only got professional dance training but also got an opportunity to explore ourselves to the entire world. My journey with Nalanda is not just till my masters in performing arts, but it still continue as I'm teaching there for evening hobby class. So being a part of it, I'm still learning a lot through my Nalanda. Discipline is a key to success, which helps you stay focused on reaching your goals. And Nalanda has given this key of success to all the students. I feel I'm very small person to talk about Nalanda, but at the same time, I feel I'm privileged that I have been given an opportunity to express my feelings towards it. I will always carry the learnings of Nalanda throughout my life, and I will be spreading the goodness of it through my feelings, attitude, and dance art, which is my very own, as personal as my Nalanda. Thank you.
Namaste, I am Priya Vinod from Mumbai. So my journey with Nalanda started after my 12th in the degree first year. Nalanda for me is not just a college, but it's an emotion. The feeling when I enter Nalanda is just unexplainable. I feel this is just because of the love that we get in that institute. The teachers out there take care of us or love us in such a manner that just a mother can love the child. For that matter, even we had mentors in our college to whom we could talk about about our mental blockages or any troubles, emotional issues, so that they could help us keep the mental balance. With this mental balance also, our physical balance was also taken care of. For a dancer, the body is the, I think, most important thing. So our day used to start with exercises, yoga, stretching, diet or nutrition session or something like that, followed by rigorous practical knowledge, followed by theory which would touch sculpture, history. We used to also draw our adavus or the basic steps, so that whenever we open our journals we know what we were taught. Not only this, we are taught how to sing, especially the dances that we learn. Also, we know the rhythm of what we are dancing. Compiling all this, I finished my Bachelor's of Performing Arts. Then came the cherry on the cake, the Masters in Performing Arts. I call this the cherry on the cake because these 2 years I feel is the proper grooming of that student. We students are given the liberty to choose our learning lectures, that is the practice lectures, and we have to decide what is good for us and which one is not necessary. I feel this technique is more useful to us after the college, when we actually come into the world where we have to decide what is good for us and what is not. That is one thing. Secondly, we get in-depth knowledge of Natuvangam, teaching lectures where we assist our teachers. Some are into dissertation, so they research more, they read more books. Also, we are taught how to choreograph an item. Also, we masters are given a task called choreographic presentation, where we have like a group, we lead the group of 10-15 people, we collect the songs, we edit some studio works. With that, we learn how to present ourselves on stage with light, what not to do on stage, what looks good on stage, everything. So I feel a person coming out of Nalanda is not just a dancer, but he's a good choreographer, natwanar, musician, and most importantly, a good human being. So compiling all this again, I finished my masters in performing arts successfully from Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya. After that, also I am associated with Nalanda, as we represent Nalanda in different shows as ex-students. Then I have my own dance classes, RM Dance Academy, which is affiliated again to Nalanda Dance Research Center. So whatever I am today is just because of Nalanda and each and every teacher who is a part of Nalanda. So thank you very much for making me what I am today. Thank you.
Namaste. I joined the BPA course after an entrance exam and continued to do the MPA, and I finished in 2019. I noticed a tremendous increase in my stamina after joining because of the rigorous training, the regular exercises, as well as the nutritious diet that is prescribed. The teachers give personal attention, and there are very minute corrections which improved my technique. And when it comes to Abhinaya, the explanations are in depth. The teachers demonstrate, they explain every aspect, and we analyze the item in such a way that there is total clarity in the mind as to what is to be depicted, and this has really helped me in my teaching as well. Also, the theoretical knowledge, be it the cultural history or understanding of literary arts, plastic arts, or visual arts, not only of India but also of other countries, has made my interest in these grow, and also given me a broad outlook towards art. And I think this will definitely add to my choreographies. And personally speaking, the theory studies have made me a reflective person and helped a lot in my dissertation and also to clear my NET exam. Along with all of this, I have been very fortunate to get many stage opportunities through Nalanda. And these prestigious stages are not only in Mumbai or in other cities, but I have got a chance to even go abroad. So, more than the place, I think getting these opportunities to be on stage has taught some nuances of group presentations, which will be very useful to me now as a professional dancer. And also, I was very fortunate because I got to be a part of Nalanda Productions, so I got to learn from our senior teachers as well. And one important thing is that from 2017, I have been teaching at Nalanda's foundation classes, and here I got to apply what I actually learned. And apart from that, I got to do Natwangam when I had to conduct my students' annual program. Because of the support from the teachers, I think my confidence got a boost, and I think I will be able to be a much more confident teacher. So yes, in every aspect, I think I have become an equipped dancer. Also, I learned to read and write Tamil, which is going to be an interesting usage.
Namaste. Myself, Sneha Nambiar. I'm residing in Muscat, Oman since the year 2016. I work for Indian School Al Gubra as a dance teacher. Before coming to Muscat, I was in Qatar working for Delhi Public School since the year 2014 to 2016. I graduated my Masters in Performing Arts in Mohiniyattam from Nalanda Nritya Kala Mahavidyalaya in the year 2012. During my second year of post-graduation, I was awarded with the scholarship from the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. I was fortunate enough to spend 9 long, beautiful years at Nalanda Nritya Kala Mahavidyalaya. Apart from dance lessons, we were taught different subjects such as music, talam, history, culture, techniques in dance, sculpture, painting, dance therapy, Natya Shastra, and many more. We had the best faculty members at Nalanda who groomed us not only to be a good dancers or performers, but also to be a good human being. Our classes was not restricted within the walls of Nalanda. To teach us subjects like sculptures and paintings, we were taken for study tour in different caves, temples and museums across India. We were given good, prestigious platforms for performing, not only in India but also abroad. Though the students are spread across the globe, I feel extremely happy and blessed when I realize that though we are away from our motherland, we are sowing the seeds of our culture, our tradition and our art form in a different country. As I told before, the learning and teaching is not only restricted within the walls of Nalanda, but it is still continuing through us, and it will still continue through our students. Thank you, Nalanda, for giving such beautiful experience and being with us even today. Thank you.
Ayubowan, Namaste. I'm Teacher Nalinige from Sri Lanka. I work as the Deputy Head of Aesthetic Department of Sussex College Network, where we cater for more than 6,000 students in primary and secondary education. And also I'm a principal of one of the branches out of 20. If I talk about my experience related to Nalanda Dance Research Center's Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya, I must say that was the best time of my life as a student and also as a dancer. After completing my graduations from Ravindra Bharati University, Calcutta, I shifted to Mumbai with a different dream. But after joining Nalanda, I realized this place is so pure and untouched by unnecessary trendings which were proliferating at that time. I realized this is the best place for me to continue my studies. I must say, at the beginning I was totally amazed and astonished by the way that the institute has organized and the way of its process. Starting with yoga sessions, Natya-shastric knowledge given to us, and the anatomical studies of dance, and different workshops conducted by vibrant pioneering gurus and experts of the field. They were remarkable, and undoubtedly my expectations were not that high as compared to what Nalanda has given to me within these 2 years of my master degree in Kathak. Nalanda opened up my mind to a different level of dance, different aspect and phase of dance. For an example, my thesis of biomechanics of Kathak dance was very new and interesting topic for me. I'm sure that I don't think anyone can find the books and invaluable resources which the Nalanda has in its library. So in my case, I should say that the journey of developing as an intellectual dancer has started with Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya. Each and every day we learned something new, we experienced something new, and we experimented something new. I'm forever grateful for all the support and knowledge given to us by all the lecturers of the Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya, including the director Dr. Kanak Rale Madam and the principal Dr. Umar Rale Madam. And I need to say that Nalanda Nrityotsav, Prithvi Anandini ballet competitions, annual performances, they all sort of things molded us what we are today as dancers. But apart from that, that kind of performances bring all the students to one family and to one table, where we have tons of memories today that we hold tightly to ourselves and cherish. And Mother Nalanda, thank you so much for giving us everything that what you have given for us. I wish you all the best and success, and wish you the energy and power to create as many as beautiful dances that you can, intellectual dances, as the way you have done through the years. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Namaste. My dance journey began at an early age of 6 when I was enrolled in a hobby class at Nalanda Dance Research Center to learn Bharatanatyam. After completing 7 years of initial training, I did my Arangetram at the same institution under great guidance. These 7 years made me fall in love with this art form, and I wanted to turn this passion into career. So after completing my secondary high school examinations, I enrolled myself in Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya College to do a full-time course in dance. To describe my experience in Nalanda, it was difficult at start as the college abided by the Guru Shishya Parampara. But slowly I got accustomed to it, and once I understood the importance of this tradition, the bond that it creates with our gurus, it was just amazing. Our teachers there are just amazing. They have not only been great gurus to us, but have always been our friends, family. They have been there for us whenever we needed them. Personally for me, they have made me grow emotionally, intellectually and spiritually. I am very grateful to them. Another great important thing I've learned from Nalanda's education is the art of discipline, the value of discipline, how it turns your life into something beautiful. A dancer ought to be disciplined to achieve great things, and Nalanda has taught us that. Nalanda's education has always given us opportunity to be firmly rooted in our traditions and in our culture, and always encourages us to promote it in the future. The main aim for a person, for a human being, is to achieve that realization. And as dancers, we've been told that our aim is to attain Paramatma. I think when I enrolled myself into that institution, it took me a step closer to that realization, and I'm very thankful towards it. On this note, I would like to thank all my gurus for whatever they have done for me. They have made me a better person, a good human being that I am today. I thank you for all the value, all the education that you all have given me. I am very grateful towards it. And Nalanda has always believed in imparting knowledge, and I hope I do the same in future. Thank you.
Namaste. Myself Unnati Ajmera. I have passed Bachelor's and Masters of Performing Arts in Mohiniyattam from Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya. Nalanda for me is not just a mere name of the college, but it is an emotion. When you pass 7 years and then when you look back, you realize how much you have evolved. This college has taught me not only to dance but also to live a happy life. The journey of Nalanda is like a blossoming of flower. The first year is sowing of seed, where teachers pour water of knowledge onto you. The second year is when the little leaves sprout, where you realize that you have finally settled in this beautiful atmosphere. The third and the fourth year is when the plant have a lot of leaves. In the same way, you learn a lot many things like exercises, theory, shlokas, etc. The fifth and the sixth year is when the bird comes, where you get introduced to choreography. And the seventh year is when the flower blossoms. And that's when you realize that the journey was worth living for. And when you leave, you take with you the fragrance of this flower all through your life. This is the fragrance of our respected founder who constantly inspires us that there is no age bar to dance. It is the fragrance of our dear principal whose charming face constantly inspires us that no matter what difficulties you face, you must always smile. It is the fragrance of our dear teachers who have constantly drilled in us, no matter what you go through in life, work hard, be polite and be grounded. Today, I am taking classes in Gujarat as well as performing and giving lecture demonstrations. When I have to perform or speak in front of hundreds of the audience, I could do it with much ease and much of confidence. And it is only because of Nalanda. Today, I cherish all these years. I am really grateful for being part of this college. So yes, you not only learn to dance, but also to lead a happy and a peaceful life. Thank you.